This is Josh from Strange Remains Curio Shop. We're going to do another unboxing. This box was held at UPS for about 7 days over the time it was supposed to be here. When I picked it up, not sounding good. So we're going to open it up and see if things survived. And I sure hope so. Now, considering glass just cut me, I'm going to say there's some broken stuff in here. And I'm thinking this extra tape on here was probably done by UPS. Kitty. Oh yeah. Well, here's some of the glass. Oh, cool. Have to get some new frames. At least the image survived. It's of making wax museum pieces. So that's very cool. There's a couple of those in here. Hopefully that's all that got damaged. I don't mind replacing a little glass. There's another wax museum piece. Luckily, image survived. Yeah, the glass survived on that one. So that's good. The old label, unfortunately, did not survive. Maybe I can get it off of there. Well, glass is all right. Yes. A wig. Ooh. Neanderthal head. Very cool. That's awesome. It was actually made for Walt Disney. So, those are cool. Ooh, let's see if I can get some hair on this guy real quick. Don't think that'll be 100% right, but it'll make it good. Oh, I'll have to work on that. Got Bill Clinton. Everybody needs a Bill Clinton wax mold. He actually looks better without the hair on. That's what he looks like now. I did not have sexual relations with that girl. Oh man, that's great. And then let's see. Oh, cool. Here's just a random wax head, or random head from the wax museum. Oh, a piece of glass in it. Let's see. We've got another wig. You never know when you're gonna need one of these. Get all the glass out of it. So then we've got one more. These are cool. These are just miscellaneous. The last two are just miscellaneous ones. But they're very neat. And look forward to doing something with them. Dressing them up for our museum. Ooh. And then got a hand from the wax museum. Save that for, we'll put that by Bill. He might need it. And, oh, who needs a hand? All right, and I think other than glass, that is all she wrote. Well, that's an unboxing with Josh here at Strange Remains. And hope you liked it, and we'll do some updates on what happens. Might mount this guy in the bathroom or something. Give people the heebie-jeebies when they come over. Have a good day. Feel free to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting more videos.